It's finally stopped raining. I've been trying to get this filmed all day long. I got the Felony out here. We're out in the parking lot. The really nice one. This parking lot is very smooth and it does not chew your tires up. You can get a lot of runs off your tires. My other park I go to, it just chews the tires up in like 15 minutes. But let's get this thing powered on, and so you can see these lights are running around. It's about 4 o'clock, something like 4 o'clock, and you know, it's cloudy overhead, so we got a nice overcast, so it is kind of dark, so you will be able to see the lights pretty good. So that right there is as low as it goes right now. It's at like 20, well, it's not less than 25%, it's all the way down. So let's turn it to 100%. That's much easier to see. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? That makes it real easy to see, and it looks so good, doesn't it? That looks so good. Swear, this little Insta 360, I'm gonna end up killing this thing. I have really beat the crap out of it. Look how beat up it is. I keep losing it off everything. You know, this holds on, and if it gets wet, you clean this with water, so when it gets wet, it just falls off, and it's getting wet out here. So that's okay. I think I got the shots I wanted. Oh no, I'm out of battery. Oh no. Playtime's over. Yes, I know it's dead. All right guys, so there you have it, the Polo Creations. It is Polo, right? Oh no, maybe I should look that up. Yeah, okay, it's the Polo Creations light kit for the Arrma Felony. I'll put a link down in the description. I think it's around 60 or 70 bucks. It's not terribly bad. I think it looks super cool. It looks very cool. I've heard people break them when they crash their Felonies. Don't crash your Felony. I've only flipped it over one time. I like it. I'm gonna rewire it because I don't like the way it's wired in there. It's really weird that they like, I don't know how they expect you to wire it in there, but I can't figure out a way that you're supposed to do it, and they don't really leave an instructional video or anything, so I'm not exactly sure what they have in mind. I'm going to figure out my own way to do it. I'll show you guys once I figure that out, but I think it's very cool. I think it's worth it. I really liked it more than I thought I would. It's really cool to see it, those lights out here going around the parking lot. And yes, I know it is the Arrma Felony is the only RC I take out in the water. That's going to change soon. I am building an RC just for the water. That's coming up soon. But anyways, that's all I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like the video if you like it. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time.